My dear friend, hope you are well. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, and the topic name is conservation of angular momentum. This topic is very similar to conservation of linear momentum. Let's develop the theory first. As you know, the torque is given by dl divided by dt. When tau external is equal to 0, which implies dl divided by dt is equal to 0, which implies angular momentum is the constant. This theory is very simple. Yes, when torque external becomes 0, which eventually leads to conservation of angular momentum. But its application is very wider. It has wide range of application and have very importance in application field. Let's understand some of the application related to the conservation of linear angular momentum. Yes, I am taking the first application as the elliptical motion of Earth about the Sun. As you know, the Earth is moving in an elliptical path about the Sun. Here we have the Sun situating at one of the foci, and this is the Earth. So as you know, the Earth is attracted towards the Sun by force of gravity. You can forget about other planet, other galaxies present in the solar. Here we have taking only the interaction between Earth and Sun. And the Earth is attracted towards the Sun within a force of gravity. Then this force of gravity is passing through the center of the Sun, because the gravitational force is acting center to center. So here the torque about the Sun on Earth is 0, which means that angular momentum of the Earth is constant. Suppose that the Earth reaches here. So as you know, here also the force of gravity is acting. Yes, that force of gravity is passing through the Sun. So again the torque becomes 0, which means that angular momentum will be conserved. So what amount of the I omega present here must be equal to the I omega present here. This is very important. So the conservation of this angular momentum of the Earth about the Sun. Please note that if I am taking this point, this conservation of angular momentum about the Earth, about this point on the Earth is not conserved, because it will make some torque. But about the Sun, this conservation of angular momentum is valid for the Earth. Hope you understood. And note that this force of gravity is along this line. So here in this all line, the conservation of angular momentum is conserved. With respect to this point, this point, this point, this point, the conservation of angular momentum is conserved. Hope you understood. Now let's understand a new application. Here we have a ballet dancer, and he is dancing in a smooth surface. This is a very smooth surface about this axis. Suppose that he is revolving about this axis with an angular velocity omega. Initially, the hands of this ballet dancer are stretched. Then after some time, while doing this dance, this ballet dancer fold his hand like this way. So as you know from this figure, carefully examine this figure, you can see there are two forces acting on this ballet dancer. The first one is weight, that is the force of gravity downward, mg. And you know, due to that mg, there will be a reaction force will develop on this ballet dancer. These two forces is along this axis of rotation. which means that the torque external is equal to 0, which means that angular momentum is conserved about this axis, about this vertical axis is conserved. So I omega is constant. So from this figure, I already explained you at initially the hands of this ballet dancer are stretched, which means that moment of inertia is larger. When he folds his hand, the moment of inertia is decreased. So when moment of inertia decreased, the angular velocity of this rotation will increase to maintain angular momentum as a constant. So after folding his hand, the angular velocity of this ballet dancer would be increased. Yes, hope you understand. Now we have different application related to this conservation of angular momentum, but we are not going to discuss this whole application in this lecture. These are some of the main application. Hope you understood. Thank you.